To download the ChatGPT application on your Android or iOS device, you can simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, unlock your phone and go to any web browser and search for the chatgpt.com. Once you land on the ChatGPT website page, you can see ChatGPT option available on the top and there is a download icon available right next to it. So all you have to do is tap on the ChatGPT available on the top and it will navigate you to the download area. And all you have to do is simply tap on the download or get option available there and download the ChatGPT. But if this option is not available on your web browser, then simply go to the Google Play Store on your Android or App Store on your iPhone. Then tap the search icon and type ChatGPT. Then once you type ChatGPT, then tap Get. Also, you may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID. Then wait for the app to install. Then tap Open and sign in or create an OpenAI account to begin using the app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.